Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to set voltage and calibrate your XP600 printhead. We'll cover essential steps to ensure your printer delivers consistent, high-quality results. Proper voltage adjustment and calibration are crucial for vibrant colors and sharp details. By following these instructions, you can significantly improve your printhead's longevity and overall performance. Let's dive into the process and get your machine running perfectly. To begin, open your printer's calibration software and navigate to the advanced settings. You'll typically need to enter a password, which is often 16753. Once inside, find the voltage adjust parameter. The standard voltage is usually 512, with a recommended range between 460 and 580. If your ink appears weak or spits, try increasing the voltage slightly. Conversely, if ink is too thick or bleeds, lower the voltage for better control. Next, let's tackle bidirectional alignment. First, ensure your printer is connected to your computer via a network cable. Launch the calibration tool and access the advanced setup using the password 16753. Select the bidirectional calibration option, which will prompt your printer to print a test pattern. Carefully examine the printed lines and choose the numerical value that results in the straightest, most aligned pattern. This step is vital for preventing ghosting and ensuring crisp text. Finally, we'll fine-tune the printhead alignment. Execute step calibration by printing a test pattern and accurately measuring the distances between specific marks. Enter these measurements into the software for calculation and saving. Additionally, perform vertical and horizontal alignment to correct any blurriness, graininess, or banding in your prints. Always remember to save all your adjusted calibration parameters. This ensures your XP600 printhead operates at its peak performance, delivering consistent, high-quality results every time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.